Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to connect SQL Server from Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the Excel sheet I have. So I want to connect the SQL Server database from this Excel sheet. Okay, so here if you see the menu bar here, so apart from home, insert, formulas, data, review, view and everything, if you go here data and click on the data here, so here you can find from other sources, get data from other sources. Okay, if you click this one, you can see here SQL Server analysis services and different from XML data import from Microsoft Query, different options are there. So here we want to connect the SQL Server. Okay, just click on the SQL Server. Immediately it asks the server name. So in my SQL Server, so admin is my server name. Okay, I'm just type admin here, admin. So I want to use the Windows authentication. Okay, just so click on next. So it is connecting the SQL Server with the admin server name. So here you can see here, these are the different databases within the my server: AdventureWorks, Healthcare, Hollywood Movie, and Master Model, TempDB, Sample, Soccer underscore WC, Sports, SSDB, Test1. All these are different databases. Okay, if you check same here, so here you can see. So AdventureWorks, Healthcare, Hollywood Movie. These are the four system databases: master model, MSDB, so TempDB, sample, sports, SSISDB also system and database, and test1. So these are the different databases. So my server name is admin. Under the admin, there are the different databases. Suppose if I want to get the data, select start from, so EMP. In the healthcare database, I have one table called EMP. So if you execute this one, so you can see here 6 rows are there. Okay, now in the same way I use it to select my healthcare database here. Okay, so there are different tables in this healthcare database. So I want to select the table which I want to export. So here the EMP. So EMP, just click on next. So finally finish. Yes. Now it is asking table, pivot chart, pivot report. So by default I want to get the table data. So table data starts from, see here my cursor is in M11. So that is M11 is my address of the cell. So if I click here, you can see here the data of the 6 rows which is shown in the SQL Server. The same data you can see starting from M11 to this one. So it is very easy to connect SQL Server from Excel sheet just by clicking the data and get sources, and afterwards you can just enter your admin name, your server name. So if you have any user password, you can just click on the enter the user password credentials, so that your database, your server will connected with sheet. From then you can select required tables to import the data. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.